We are on Forest Grove in Palm Harbor. I am currently on top of the roof on the far right hand side on the back side, going through the vent stack for the laundry line. We jet cleaned the kitchen line and the laundry line. That was a concern, having backups in specifically the laundry line. And we actually just ran the water in this line to see if there is any kind of bellies, and actually looks like everything drains out of here pretty quickly. I don't see any bellies. It's still actually draining. So if you see the flow, that's all we want to see. That's really good. So we're gonna pause here and then go through the kitchen stack. This is the branch line that ties into the kitchen line. We're gonna actually pull it back and record it at the same time. A little clump of grease here or paper towel, that will just get flushed down the line. Alright, we went ahead and run some water. It actually flushed out whatever was in the line. And we're going to pause here. We're getting ready to come up the stack. And we're going to go down the kitchen line. Alright, so now we're at the base of the kitchen line here. Just went through the vent stack. So this is at the very back side of the house. It is holding no water. And it's clean. You can see the laundry line still is just slowly draining out a little bit of water. Going forward is beautiful, nice and white, clear bottom. No bellies. That's good, because we were just running a whole bunch of water from the kitchen sink and laundry room. And this is where it makes that transition from 2 to 3, around 40 feet. And we're about to dump into the line here. And we should be coming up to the clean out here momentarily, and here it is. That's a clean out. Everything looks good. Thanks for watching.